Hello friends, in this session we will be learning tuples. In the last session I explained about lists. Now in this session we will learn tuples. Okay, so tuple is also similar to list, but the difference is tuples are immutable. That means we cannot change after creation. Okay, so tuples are immutable, lists are mutable. We can change the content. It's the content after creation. The 2 points guర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Tuple is immutable. We cannot change after creation. List is nothing but mutable. We can change the content after creation. Okay. So first let us see how to create a tuple. So for example, I want to create a color tuple. So color is equal to, so tuple can be represented in open parenthesis. Okay. So open brackets lo colors, you can write colors red, green, blue, pink, orange, yellow, like this. Okay, now you can check what is the type of color. It's a tuple. Okay, next print the tuple, and if you want to the first element in the color tuple, which is green, because it is also similar to list annam kada, 0th index 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, similarly color of 5 is nothing but yellow. Atlane last elements ni we can access by using -1, -2, that is this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So color of -6. Okay, similarly length of color. So how many elements we have? 4. Okay, next similarly you can print the tuple elements in reverse order, that is same colon -1. Okay, so as I already told, this is the first is start, stop, -1. I am not giving any start, any stop, that is -1 is starting. So -1, -2, -3 up to last. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. That is an increment operator. Okay. Similarly, if you want to print color, no start value, no stop value 2. Okay. So then it prints 0, 2, 4. Okay. Next, atlane color of, this is all we can call it as slicing. Okay. So 1. So 1 index nunchi start avvali up to ending 0, 1. So 1 is green, blue, pink, ending game ivvaledu kabatti. For example, I am not giving any starting, ending is 2. So 0, 1. But ending 2 antunnam kabatti 2 print avvadu. Okay. Next, color of 1, 2, 3. So start index from 1 but ending with 2. So appudu 1, 2 print avutadi. 0, 1, 2. So the first index is green, second index is blue. Okay. Next, similarly, if you want to count color dot count of value. Suppose if you want to how many occurrences of red, we have only 1 occurrences, then it shows 1. Similarly, you can find the index of pink. The pink index is 3. Check it once. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We can perform only these 2 methods in tuples. One is count, another one is index. Okay. Similarly, you can concat 2 tuples into a single tuple. For example, I am taking another tuple fruits, which is apple, banana. Again, I am taking orange, pineapple. Okay. Now I want to combine these 2 lists into a single list. So color plus fruits. Okay, now I want to store all these into a single tuple, that is tuple 1. Tuple 1 is equal to color plus fruits. Oh, sorry, I am giving fruit. Tuple 1 is equal to color plus fruits. So now print tuple 1, which contains red, green, blue, pink, orange, yellow, apple, banana, orange, pineapple. Now count the number of occurrences of orange in tuple 1. So we have 2 oranges. Okay. So it displays the count as 2. Okay. Now if you want to, why we can say tuple as immutable? Because suppose if you want to insert index 1, tuple 1 of 1 is equal to something, my name I am giving Bharati, it will display an error because tuples are immutable. We cannot add the content after creation. So similar ga మనం లిస్ట్ లో చేసినట్టు tuple of append అని చెప్పి something content also you can't do it. Okay, so అలానే tuple 1 dot pop you can't remove it. Okay, so once మీరు create చేసిన తర్వాత you cannot perform any additions or any insertions or deletions from a tuple. Okay, so that's why lists are mutable and tuples are immutable. Whereas consider when you consider a list, for example, list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if you want to insert list of 3 is equal to 100, then it will be added. That's why it is called it as mutable. Similarly, you can remove the element from the list. These are the main differences between tuples and list. Meeru tuple annaru ante you can represent it like this. List annaru ante list is equals to it's an square parenthesis. Okay, square brackets lo meer rastunarante it represents list. Okay, lists అనేవి ఏంటి అంటే mutable, they can be changed. Okay, you can perform sorting, finding, pop, append, extend, insert, all operations can be performed in list. Whereas in tuple we can only perform count, or you can know the index of the particular content. Okay, you can't perform any insertions or deletions in a tuple. These are the main differences between list as well as tuples. Okay, similar ga if you want to remove the tuple, complete ga remove cheyali anukunte cheyochu. Suppose delete of fruits, I want to delete. Okay, now you can print it fruits, it will display error because fruits is not defined, because we can remove the content. Similarly tuple 1 print chesam kada. Now if you want to delete tuple 1, so again if you want to print tuple 1, it displays an error, tuple is not defined. Okay, same as it is list lo మనం ఎలా అయితే చేసామో tuples similar గాని additions గాని slicings గాని something, but additions in the sense you can't add the elements after creation. Okay, once మీరు create చేశారు అంటే it cannot be modified. Okay, so కాబట్టి tuples ని మీరు ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అంటే tuple 1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 అని ఇస్తారు. లిస్ట్ అయితే లిస్ట్ 1 is equal to స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ లో 1 2 3 4 5 ఇస్తారు. tuple లోకి we can't perform any modifications, it displays error. Ade whereas in list you can add content. List 1 2 is equal to something content. Okay, so you can add the content. Thank you.